Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Carlos here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my mains. So, starting off with the 2x2, I use the MF3RS. It turns really good, it's really smoothly. Inside it is black, which is pretty cool. Just feels really smooth, it feels really good in my hands. Onto my 3x3s, I use, my main 3x3 is the Gans, but my backup is the Moyu. The reason the Gans is my main for the 3x3 is because it's really good when you want to tension it. It can be like really light, really loose, obviously. It's a really good cube for competitions. It just feels good in my hands also, and yeah. For a 4x4 is the MF3RS 4x4. It kind of does lock up. 5x5 is the only 5x5 I have. MF3RS. It's really good in turning. Pure Mix is the only one that I have right now, which is a terrible Pure Mix. And for Cube Ultimate, it's Merford Cube Ultimate. And I just forgot this little case. Okay. So that is actually really the end of this video. I know it was a short one, but I do have a picture that will be coming up right now. It's a picture of my mains that will come up. I know there's Rubik's Cubes that on there that I don't even have, but my friend actually let me use every single one of his Rubik's Cubes that he has, and he has like over 400. No joke. And he let me use like all his cubes, all his square ones. And I chose which one could be my main, and there they are on the picture right there. And if you guys want to copy off mine, I don't care. But that is the end of this video, guys. A new video will be posting shortly in about, I don't know, 5 hours. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all later. Quick announcement before this video ends. So y'all probably want to see the actual links of my main cubes. I just showed just a picture of the links. But y'all probably want to see the links, so I'm gonna leave all the links in the description down below. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later.